Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to boot your DELL Inspiron 3530 from USB. First of all, make sure that you have a bootable USB flash drive inserted into your laptop. Then short press the power button in the top right corner of your keyboard and then start repeatedly pressing F12 until you enter the boot menu. Now, here we're gonna have to select our generic USB card from the list. We can either navigate here using the touchpad or up and down keys arrow keys to navigate between options on the sidebar and enter to select. Then just wait until your device boots from USB. And as you can see, we have a Windows 11 setup screen here. I'm not gonna install Windows 11 right now though, so I'm just gonna click X in the top right corner of this window and then yes to confirm and let the laptop restart. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.